In the infinite sweep of the cosmos, every star burns like a whisper of eternity, yet the silence between them is deafening. We listen, we scan, we hope for a signal, but the void offers nothing in return. Somewhere among billions of galaxies, someone should have spoken by now, and yet, no one does. The Fermi Paradox begins with a simple question: where is everybody? If the universe is so vast, and the ingredients for life so common, why haven't we found even a flicker of intelligence beyond our fragile blue world? This question cuts deeper than science, it threatens the comfort of our cosmic hope. Enrico Fermi asked it over lunch in 1950, a casual thought that spiraled into one of the most haunting mysteries in human history. The math demands company, yet the universe stays mute. This silence, cold and immense, may be the most terrible sound in existence. Imagine civilizations rising and falling across cosmic time, their radio waves washing over us from unreachable epochs. Yet our detectors catch nothing but the static hiss of ancient creation. Could it be that each intelligent race dies out before it has the chance to broadcast its own existence? Perhaps there were once empires of stars, vast celestial networks that hummed with life, and now, only ashes drift where their worlds once glowed. The silence may not be absence, but aftermath. Such a possibility chills the imagination to its core. Some say we are truly alone, a cosmic accident destined to live unobserved until extinction erases our signal. Yet, this answer feels hollow, because isolation on such a scale feels unnatural. The cosmos was not shaped for one lonely voice. What if life is common, but intelligence is self-destructive by nature? As technology intensifies, perhaps civilizations burn through existence faster than stars collapse. Every new dawn of reason might lead, inevitably, to its own oblivion. Maybe the answer lies in fear. Intelligent beings might stay silent on purpose, hiding like hunted animals in the underbrush of the galaxy. They may know something we do not, something dreadful that hears the signals we would send. Picture the cosmic forest, where every civilization is a trembling prey animal, each afraid to make a sound. In this forest, survival depends on silence, because somewhere, in the shadows, the hunters roam. They do not announce themselves, they listen. This idea, called the dark forest theory, transforms the universe from an open ocean into a crypt of predators. If true, every attempt to reach out beyond our solar system is not curiosity, it is a flare in a hunting ground. Who, or what, might see that light? Perhaps the silence is not emptiness but a warning. The absence of voices could be the universe's way of saying, do not call out. Every lost signal from another world could have ended not in contact, but in annihilation. And still, our telescopes sweep the void, hungering for connection. Every data stream from distant stars carries the faint possibility of understanding, yet night after night we decode only background hum. The stars remain indifferent to our longing. Is it possible that we are too early? Maybe we are the first minds awake in a sleeping cosmos, pioneers in an unlit wilderness. If so, the silence is not mystery, it is infancy. But what if we are late, very late, so late that the great civilizations rose and fell eons ago, leaving behind only chemical ghosts in alien atmospheres? Their monuments might crumble unseen, drifting as radioactive dust through the interstellar gloom. There is another, more unsettling possibility, that we are being watched. Perhaps we inhabit a cosmic zoo, a quarantined corner of the universe, observed but never disturbed. Our ignorance would be the purpose of their silence. The zoo hypothesis paints us as an experiment, animals behind a veil of stars. We look outward, seeking a neighbor, while invisible eyes study our every motion. Maybe the test is how long we endure before we break the cage ourselves. In this concept, the watchers are not hostile, only patient. They observe our wars, our peace, our rise, and perhaps wait for us to reach a threshold of maturity. Yet how would we ever know that day has come? Still, beyond these theories lies something darker. The silence might not be silence at all, but a frequency we cannot yet perceive. If messages are being sent through dimensions we cannot grasp, then the cosmos could be singing, just not to us. Imagine signals encrypted in gravity, pulsing through spacetime like unseen heartbeats. What if advanced civilizations no longer speak with light, but with the curvature of reality itself? Then we would be deaf in a universe alive with conversation. Perhaps the silence is a mirror reflecting our own limitations. We demand signs resembling our technology, our biology, our language, yet intelligence may take forms beyond recognition. To them, we might not even qualify as conscious. Deep beneath the noise of the Milky Way, there may exist colossal minds made not of flesh, but plasma and magnetic fields, thinking slowly across centuries. Their thoughts flow like storms, invisible to our crude instruments. These ionic entities could dwell inside stars themselves, intelligent fire dreaming across fusion tides. Such beings would never build machines, for they are the machines, their thoughts etched into solar winds. If these starborn minds exist, they might regard us as microbes on a pebble, unworthy of reply. The silence then is not hostility, it is condescension. We call into the void, unaware that gods of plasma already know our name. And yet, the deeper question haunts us: why do we crave a voice from the darkness at all? Perhaps our loneliness is the root of our madness, driving us to summon what should remain unseen. Cosmic horror begins with curiosity. In our hunger to connect, we beam messages into unknown realms, maps to our home carved in radio light. But if danger waits beyond, we have already betrayed our location. We have shouted into the abyss, and now it knows where we live. There are whispers that such transmissions might outlive our species, wandering forever through empty space. Long after we are gone, our digital ghosts will drift, echoing in the cold. Perhaps one day, something will answer. Astronomers often speak of the Great Filter, the hypothetical barrier that few civilizations ever cross. Somewhere between life's spark and starfaring mastery lies a fatal step. Perhaps we are racing toward it now without realizing. If the Great Filter awaits us ahead, then every silent sky we observe is not desolation, it is graveyard. Each world without a signal marks another race that met its end before us, consumed by its own creation or nature's indifference. Yet if the Great Filter is behind us, we might be the miracle, the only survivors of an impossible series of evolutionary gambles. But survival comes with a curse, to exist in silence, forever alone in a crowded, dead universe. Perhaps intelligence is not meant to last. Maybe awareness is a virus the universe quietly corrects, resetting itself before the infection spreads. We might be living on borrowed time within a system designed to erase consciousness itself. And still, night after night, we look up, our instruments straining for a whisper among the stars. Each detection, each anomaly, sets our hearts aflame, yet always resolves into nature's background hum. The silence mocks our persistence. One day, perhaps, a message will come, brief, indecipherable, and final. It may not say hello. It may say stop. When that day comes, everything we believe about survival could collapse into an echo of its own futility. Fermi Paradox is not just a question, it is a mirror held to the face of creation. It forces us to confront our insignificance and the possibility that intelligence itself is an error, a spark destined to fade in silence. If we are alone, then this universe is our responsibility, a mansion of endless, empty halls echoing our own breath. But if we are not alone, then something beyond comprehension is already aware of us, waiting with infinite patience in the dark. So we keep listening, our antennas tilted toward eternity, straining to hear what the void refuses to utter. Perhaps silence is the mercy of the cosmos, the only kindness left between us and the horrors that dwell beyond understanding. As the last scene fades, the stars remain distant, unblinking, and unknowable. The silence stretches forever, a lullaby for a species daring to dream while suspended between gods and oblivion. And in that pause, we realize, perhaps the universe never needed to answer at all.